Hello everybody, I'm Sack. So now, this is how to use Nawmal. Besides, I can't sign it in. It seems there's a problem with this software, but that's not working at all. Don't you want to see it? As you can see, Nawmal software didn't sign in. For Nathaniel Johnson, he's no longer to use the Google account. You think? I really think so. There is username, password, and serial number. He cannot sign in because it's no use. If you need any help, go to Nawmal website at nawmal.com. Click on the link in description to see the site. So, everybody wants to sign in. You can leave a like and a comment down there below to see what happens. Okay, now, I'll be back real soon on the next video. Hee hee.